Today's video is different. I'm not here to give you generic AI tips. Instead, I'm going to show you exactly how I run Watermelon Gang, my marketing agency, MetaRizz, my tech agency, and IMBUZI, my clothing brand, using AI tools that most people don't even know exist. A quick backstory. Well, 4 years back, I was that guy trying to properly run even just one business. I was working 16 hours a day. I was handling every single thing and barely keeping up. Now, I run all these 3 companies with just a few hours in my day, and here is exactly how. So let's start with the part 1, which is design and creative. Let me show you how we exactly create IMBUZI's clothing designs that have generated hundreds of thousands of dollars for us. Traditional fashion brands spend months on design. We do it within just few days using Leonardo.AI. But here's the secret sauce. First, we feed it specific style prompts that match IMBUZI's urban tech aesthetic. Second comes the technical part. Most people mess this up. We separate each color into individual layers before vectorizing it. This lets us prepare for the print production in minutes instead of hours. For our prompts, we generally save all our successful prompts in ClickUp. It's an alternative to Notion. I've started to use ClickUp much more often, so yeah, you can go check that one out as well. Part 2 is content creation system. Yes, we are using AI for content creation as well. This is where things get interesting. In fact, at Watermelon Gang, we've already started to use AI and use it for our workflows as well. Many top creators have already started to create their AI clones and started to make entire video content using AI.
I know this is the stupid way to say this, but I think AI really made us consistent. Because the minute you have an avatar, and we use Heygen for the avatar, we fine-tuned so many Heygen models to the point where we discarded so many of them and then we finally kept the good ones.
The way they do this is first they record a specific video just like this one and feed it to Heygen. Heygen is an AI platform that helps you in creating AI avatars. Now once they do this, they then clone their own voice using 11 labs. Once both of these things are set up, they then combine them on Heygen and then edit those videos and publish it directly on their social media handles. Top creators like Varun Maya have already started with it. There are top companies that have already started creating clones of their founders and creating content using that. But that's still in the early stages. The second thing that I like using AI, especially for content, is repurposing all of my content pieces. I've been doing this since the last 3-4 years, even before OpenAI or all of these AI tools were even a thing. For example, for my LinkedIn post, what I do is I record or publish a video like this on YouTube. I then run it through my own specific Python code, which converts the entire video to a transcript. Once it gets converted to a transcript, it is then sent to Claude AI and it helps in converting the entire transcript, the entire video, to LinkedIn posts, to Twitter threads, and so on and so forth for me to repurpose and put it on different social media handles. This way, with just one content idea, I can get 3 LinkedIn posts, 5 Twitter threads, 10 Instagram posts, 2 blog posts, even email newsletters can be created completely using my entire YouTube transcript. If you want the entire Python code for this particular script, you can go and check my GitHub for that. Well, let's move over to the next part, which is the sales machine. Yes, we have automated sales using AI. Here is exactly how we scaled Watermelon Gang's client base using AI. So say for example, if we focus in on tech and Web3 companies, then we'll start looking for companies or company sizes which clearly match our particular niche. Then my team at Watermelon Gang has already set up some automations using Pipedream in order to filter out these leads and verify their emails as well. The last step is using Instantly for personalized outreach sequences. But this currently is being done by a lot of companies. So what we do is we take it a step further. We combine this entire structure with running ads using custom audience option. This way you don't just do cold reach outs to your potential clients through emails, but also target them in a better sense via social media as well as Meta ads and Google ads. Apart from that, we use it for content engines as well as understanding our markets. Apart from this, for my own content, I use Suno AI. That's basically an AI tool which I use to generate background music that you'll be listening to throughout my video. This basically saves me from all the copyright issues on my content. I previously used to use enthusiast.io. I don't know if you've heard of it. It's non-copyright songs, and basically it has a library of copyright-free music. The only problem was finding the right song or the perfect song according to the video. It takes a long time, and that's why we switched over to Suno AI. Okay, but we need to manage all of these things. Running 3 companies is not a joke, and all of that management happens through ClickUp. As I mentioned, I used to use Notion for every single thing that I do, but now we've started to shift towards ClickUp. The reason I've started to use ClickUp more is because it is developer friendly, it has more integrations with different apps that I generally use, and yeah, it is basically a much more better alternative than Notion altogether. With IMBUZI, we've already started to shift all our designs, our workflows from Notion to ClickUp, and it has saved up a lot of time already. ClickUp's AI is also one of the features that has prompted me in order to use it. Even for MetaRizz, my tech agency, all my budgets, proposals, even client reach outs becomes much more easier on ClickUp. Now, this is something that I want to mention over here. This is very important. Running 3 companies means 0 personal time, and that's where ADA comes in. I've been using this tool since a very long time. Also, just to mention, nothing on this entire video is sponsored, so all the tools that I'm mentioning over here are all something that I use currently for my companies or for myself. ADA is this AI health assistant that helps me stay on top of my health without being paranoid with Google searches at 3 a.m. It's like having a doctor friend on speed dial. The best part about it is you just have to enter your symptoms, and at the end of it, you get a report. Now, one more thing that I want to tell you is the reports might not be 100% accurate. So at the end of the day, you have to go to a doctor, but it helps me in understanding what are the problems, what are the symptoms that I'm facing, and what can be a possible cause for it all. But here's the truth. AI isn't replacing entrepreneurs that many people think. It's actually giving us much more superpowers. I still make all the creative decisions, and I have to. But now I have time to actually think strategically instead of drowning in tasks. Those repetitive tasks that used to take up a lot of your time are now gone. So if you like this video, then drop a comment which business you'd like me to deep dive into first. IMBUZI, Watermelon Gang, my marketing agency, or MetaRizz, my tech agency. What do you want to hear for the next video? Also, I'm putting together a detailed guide on setting these automations for yourself. So hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications if you want to catch that when it drops. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.